Okay, you guys, ever wondered how to make homemade whipped cream? Well, I'm going to show you. The first thing you need is a chilled metal bowl. We want the bowl chilled because it just helps our whipped cream form better. I also have a whisk. I'll be using an electric whisk for this recipe. And then you also need some confectioner sugar, heavy cream, and a little bit of flavoring. Okay, so to start off, I'm going to put my heavy cream into my measuring cup. I want to measure 1 cup of heavy cream. So you can use either heavy whipping cream or just heavy cream or whipping cream. Heavy cream will give you more thicker whipped cream, and heavy whipping cream will also give you thick whipped cream, but the heavy whipping cream or heavy cream gives you the best results. Okay, so I'm going to pour this into my Pyrex because I want to make just 1 cup. All right, so I got 1 cup. I'm going to pour it into my chilled bowl. All right, then I want to take my confectioner's sugar and I want to put about 2 tablespoons of confectioner's sugar in this mix. So I'm going to open up my confectioner's sugar, and we want to put 2 tablespoons of sugar. So let's do. That's 1. 2. All right, and then the last ingredient we want to put is some flavoring. So I'm going to put about a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So the extract I'm using is actually called cake batter. It's a vanilla flavor. It's actually delicious and I use it in everything. So we're going to put a half a teaspoon of this flavoring in here. Okay, it smells absolutely amazing. This is really good flavoring. Okay, we want to get my electric whisk together. You want to start whisking kind of slow and then increase your speed. If things start splashing all over the place, please excuse me, but my mixer has a mind of its own. Okay, so now we're going to start whisking. We want to whisk it until we start to see peaks form, thick peaks. So right now we don't have those thick peaks. So we want to start seeing stiff peaks. So we still need to mix some more. as you can see, it's starting to get thick. Want to mix just a little bit more. You want really stiff peaks coming out of here. So we're just going to keep mixing, keep mixing. All right, so we're seeing those stiff peaks. I believe our whipped cream is pretty much done. So I want to show you guys what this looks like. This is my whipped cream. I might mix it just a little bit more. Let's see. I'm being careful to not over mix it, so I'm kind of giving it a little bit at a time. So I actually think we're done now. We got some really nice whipped cream, homemade whipped cream. It looks amazing. It's very much whipped. It tastes absolutely amazing as well. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we got whipped cream, you guys, and we only needed a few ingredients, and that was extremely fun. Very fun to do. So all right, that is how you make homemade whipped cream. You guys stay tuned because I'm going to use this whipped cream in one of my recipes. But thank you for tuning in.